Hey, Drop Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. So, I woke up today thinking it was going to be just another normal day, but boom! Out of nowhere, One UI 7 showed up on my Galaxy S24 overnight. Yep, Samsung has finally started rolling out the highly anticipated One UI 7 update, and it's already reaching Galaxy S24 users not just in South Korea but also in the USA, UAE, KSA, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and several other countries. This new update is based on Android 15, and it's packed with improvements. The One UI 7 build, version BYD9, is now being pushed to the Galaxy S24 Plus and Ultra models. This marks the first major OS upgrade for the S24 series globally, following its initial release in South Korea on April 7th. And don't worry if you weren't part of the beta program, this stable version is coming to all users. Now here's something even better. Galaxy S24 users are in for the long haul with this one. You'll now get 6 more Android version upgrades and nearly 6 years of security patches. That means solid long-term performance and support for your device. For those of you in the US, there's more good news. Samsung has resumed the One UI 7 rollout for unlocked Galaxy S24 units. The update file is over 400 megabytes and carries the version BYD9. If you've got an unlocked phone, chances are it's already hitting your device. And if you're on a carrier-locked version, like from T-Mobile or Verizon, your update isn't far behind either. To check if it's available for your phone, just go to Settings, then Software Update, and tap on Download and Install. Just make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi connection and that your battery has enough charge before installing. And if you don't see it yet, don't worry. It's a phased rollout, so chances are you'll get it later today or maybe tomorrow. Now, although there was a bit of a delay with the One UI 7 global launch, Samsung is already getting ready to get things back on track with One UI 8, which is expected to launch alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 in the next quarter. And in South Korea, the stable One UI 7 update is also being released for more flagship devices, including the Galaxy S23 series, the S24 Fan Edition, the Tab S9 and S10, along with the Z Flip 5 and Z Fold 5. The global rollout for these devices is currently expected around May 2025, but Samsung might just surprise us and release it earlier, if everything goes smoothly. So, have you received the One UI 7 update yet? If yes, how's it going so far? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. That's it for today's update. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech updates. Also, make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.